that comforter, except the best of all prophets, the master of mankind, Mohammed Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. He became the inheritor of the messengers, the successor to Jesus, and the father of mankind, the true Pope. And as every prophet did before him, David naming Solomon, Moses naming Joshua, Jesus naming Simon Peter, so too did Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi name his successors. On his deathbed, he dictated to Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam that after him would come 12 imams who would be to him as the disciples were to Jesus, except that they would follow in succession. And after them would come 12 Mahdis, the successors of Imam al-Mahdi alayhi salam. The Mahdi, Mohammed ibn Hassan al-Askari alayhi salam, the remnant of God on earth, Baqiyatullah, is the son of Narjis alayhi salam, a descendant of Simon Peter and of Imam al-Hassan al-Askari alayhi salam, a descendant of Muhammad Rasulullah. And so in him is the Jewish blood of the apostles of Christ, the blood of the Christians of Europe, and the blood of the best of creation, Muhammad and Ali alayhim salam. And in the will of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is written the first three successors of Imam al-Mahdi are Abdullah, Ahmad, and al-Mahdi. I am Abdullah, the successor of Imam al-Mahdi alayhi salam, the successor of the Comforter Ahmad, the successor of Simon Peter, the successor of Muhammad, the successor of Jesus Christ. I am the true and legitimate Pope. I am the proof upon the Christians. I am the son of the Muslims through my father, and the son of the Christians and the Jews through my mother. I am the son of the East through my father, and the son of the West through my mother. I am like Zulkarnain, who with one horn in the East and one in the West. And I am the inheritor of all that lies between. I am more knowledgeable than any false pope, and I am appointed by name in the will of the prophets. My name is also on the tongue of Isaiah, who prophesied of the righteous servant, and he said, he will see his offspring and prolong his days, and the will of the Lord will prosper in his hand. According to you, Jesus alayhi salam had no offspring, and his days were cut short. But I am that servant. I am Abdullah, the righteous servant of God. I am also the righteous servant mentioned by Jesus alayhi salam when he said, who then is a faithful and wise servant, whom his Lord hath made ruler over his household, to give them meat in due season? Blessed is that servant, whom his Lord when he cometh shall find so doing. Verily I say unto you, that he shall make him ruler over all of his goods. And I was made ruler over all his goods. Now, O Christians in the East and the West, hear me and obey. I am a messenger sent to you from Jesus Christ, alayhi salam. Paul is false and led you astray. The church is corrupt and no longer upholds the law of God, nor does it defend the oppressed. The papacy has been stolen and the rightful heir has been pushed aside. There is no one else but me that you are obliged to obey. May God be a witness that I have proclaimed.